Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you some best promo code for the Now TV sports passes. So if you want to get the passes on the Now TV, then you have to go to these three websites, or you have to keep your eyes on the website, official Now TV website, or the Now TV official social media platform, where they can release a promotional period with some promo codes and coupon codes that you can use to get some exciting deals and discounts. But these three third-party website is actually collecting all the coupon codes and deals and the affiliate links from this website and all the other platform for you at one place. So you have to do is you have to try one by one all these links and codes and check which one actually works for you, because sometimes some links might get expired or some links might reach its maximum users limit. So you have to try one by one and check which one actually works. Now you can find this is most updated code right now, so it is the end of March, so sometimes some code or the link could be expired. So you can the best practices is check the codes at the very beginning of the month. Now simply click on get deals button here to get the deals from here. It will actually automatically redirect you to the now this membership page where you can get the discount from here. Just like this, here you can see the discount here. So here is the second website, that is Voucher Cloud. This is also provide you some discounts, so you can simply click on view discounts here and you can find the discount details and users time also, and here is the expiration date. Make sure that you have claimed this discount before this expiration date. Now simply click on view discount and it will also redirect you to the Now TV discount page where you can get the discount just like this. Now here is the third website, that is savoo.co.uk. You can also find some exciting deals and discounts from here, the expiration date, the users time. Simply click on get deals and you are good to go with that discount from here. You can see. So that's how you can just simply do it. All the promotions are currently running on Now TV will be listed in these three websites. You can find it from here and enjoy your discount. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.